Welcome students to the second part of our today's lecture. We are talking about characteristics of water. So we have already discussed the types of physical characteristics of water and chemical characteristics of water. So in this lecture we will go through the details of physical characteristics and chemical characteristics of water. So in physical characteristics of water, first one is the turbidity. So first let us know what is turbidity. Okay, so if a large amount of suspended matter such as clay, silt or some other finely divided organic materials are present in water, then obviously the water, it will appear to be muddy or cloudy or turbid in appearance. Okay, so the turbidity, it depends upon the what fineness and concentration of particles present in water. So although the since people do not like turbid water, so the turbidity of raw water, it must be measured and then reduced by treatment to permissible limits. Okay, so the turbidity, it is measured by what? A turbidity rod or a turbidimeter with optical observations, and it is expressed as the amount of suspended matter in milligram per liter or parts per million. Okay, so the calibration, it is done on suspensions of silica from Fuller's earth. Okay, so the depth of sample in the tube was read against the parts per million silica scale with 1 parts per million of suspended silica, called 1 Jackson turbidity unit, also the short form as JTU. Okay, and these days turbidity is measured by applying nephelometry, a technique that is used to measure the level of light scattered by the particles at right angles to the incident light beam. Okay, so this scattered light level, it is proportional to the particle concentration in the sample, and this unit of expression is known as nephelometric turbidity unit, also known as NTU. And the IS value of drinking water should be 10 to 25 NTU. Okay, next we come to color. Color is what? Dissolved organic matter from decaying vegetation or some inorganic materials may impart color to the water. And also it can be measured by comparing the color of water sample with other standard glass tubes containing solutions of different standard color intensities. So the standard unit of color is that which is produced by 1 milligram of platinum cobalt. This is important. Okay, by 1 milligram of platinum cobalt dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. So the IS value for treated water, it should be 5 to 25 cobalt units. Next is your taste and odor. Odor depends on the contact of a stimulating substance with the appropriate human receptor cell. Okay, most organic and some inorganic chemicals originating from municipal or industrial waste contribute taste and odor to the water. Okay, so you can say that the dissolved organic materials or the inorganic salts or the dissolved gases, it may impart taste and odor to the water, which generally occur together. So taste and odor may be caused by the presence of what? Dissolved gases, such as H2S gas, CH4, CO2, then oxygen, etc. Okay, combined with organic matter. Mineral substances are also present, like sodium chloride, iron compounds, carbonates and sulfates or other elements. Okay, so all these impart taste and odor to the water. So next Next we have temperature. So testing the temperature of water, it has usually no practical significance in the sense that it is not usually possible to give any treatment to control the temperature of water. So, however, from the academic point of view, it may be mentioned that for potable waters, temperatures of about 10 degrees Celsius are highly desirable, while temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius are considered objectionable and are not recommended for drinking. Next is specific conductivity. Okay, so the total amount of dissolved salts present in water, it can be easily estimated by measuring the specific conductivity of water. So the specific conductivity of water, it is measured by means of a potable ionic water tester, and it is expressed in what, micromoles per centimeter at 25 degrees Celsius. So the specific conductivity of water in micromoles per centimeter at 25 degrees Celsius, it is multiplied by a coefficient which is taken to be 0.65, so as to directly obtain the dissolved salt content in milligrams per liter, or you can say parts per million. Okay, so the exact value of this coefficient depends upon the type of salts that are present in water. So I hope you are clear with the physical characteristics of raw water with the end of this lecture.